Hey everyone. Well, the really bad weather hasn't come yet, but it looks like it's coming by 3 o'clock and it's going to be really bad by 7 and 8. So I'm going for a little walk. I'm going to see if there's any mail in the mailbox and check out the water flowing in the front yard, and all of the grass has exploded, and I just wanted to give you a little peek. That'd be a pretty nice view if I didn't have that power pole right there. Okay, we're getting a little bit of sun breaking through, so I'm not sure what that means, but that's foreboding of tornado. I don't know. Is it wire? Oh, I need a good piece of wire. That shop needs to be a different color. Something to blend in the woods. Pale green, like my house in California. Yeah. I got my grill all covered up for the big storm. Just want to see how much water is standing out here already. Yeah, I could have a pond easily back here. But do I want a pond right by the back door with all the mosquitoes? I don't think so. Here's the forest today. And the green stuff has just completely filled in. It's like a carpet. Very easy for snakes to be slithering in under there. I'm not too keen on that. Let's check out these pretty blue flowers. Oh. See, there's so much rock, so much water. Oh my goodness. Wow, look at that. That is stunning. You're not supposed to have wood chips up against the foundation. Maybe I need to move that. Just put gravel there, you know. I think if I got the swale built from here all the way over to there, it would really take a lot of water pressure off of this area. Woo! I'm kind of letting the weeds get out of control, aren't I? Let's just take a look at as long as we've got a little sun. I took everything in an hour ago, thinking that it was just gonna come a terrible storm and didn't want to beat down the seedlings. Now my buttercups have bloomed and they're all hanging over, and I'm wondering, am I supposed to deadhead those? Would that help, or did they just do one thing and stop? Because this is not something we have out in California. Got a few left. This rhododendron has not popped yet, but look at this one. It is incredible. It's all flower. It's like snowballs, purple snowballs. It's incredible. I wish I'd gotten 4 of them. Not many birds eating the bird seed. Let's check the feeder and see if it's empty. I got a lot of bird seed in the garage. Yeah, it's pretty cleaned out. I'll have to put some in there. Okay, that was just a little peek what's going on today on Homestead. Let's look over here and see if the blueberries are blooming. They've got some leaves. This one looks pretty bad. Maybe it got broken or hit or something. Got a few flowers on this one. And that one. Not terribly impressive at the moment, but maybe it'll turn out okay. See, now we've expanded this area here for the 8th bed. So Justin has this ready to start building the bed, and I just have to pick up some treated lumber for the bottom so they all kind of look the same. I'll be very interested to see if these strawberries they don't miss a beat. They just keep right on going after being totally moved around and traumatized. And oops, missed a few. Got to get those picked up and into the bed. That one too. These were placed in this 3rd bed, so I have now 3 of these beds are strawberries. That only leaves 5 beds for a lot of other stuff. I don't know how much longer I can wait to mow. I'd love to just let it all grow up, but that would probably be bad. What's this? Oh, that's just a big old puddle there. Oh, more there. Clearly I need to just build a swale right across there. Take it from that hill and just let it all come down like this and go down over there. Here's another Bradford pear. This is carried over and reseeded by the birds. Oh, it's hard to believe we're going to have terrible weather today. The big Bradford pear is losing the white and it's almost green. The big red maple is still red. I think I hear a hoot owl. Was that a hoot owl? I've seen some predators. Okay, you know what? Squish, squish. I mean, look, this stuff is, ooh, those weeds are just growing up over the vent there. Well, see, Ken was supposed to get back here and pull all this soil back off of the foundation when he did the French drain. But now I'm rethinking the French drain and wishing I could just have a swale. But there's so much standing water here. I don't know. This video is not speeded up. That is real time. Those clouds are moving that fast. I have a feeling it's just a quick break in the clouds layer and that it's going to start, as the day progresses, start rumbling along. The storm is still coming, and so I'm going to be getting back inside and getting prepared to hide in my hideaway. Thanks so much for watching this channel, and I hope you'll subscribe. If you're a late bloomer like me, you might learn something new or at least get a good laugh. So I look forward to seeing all of you in the next video.